Good morning, coffee number 2. We're almost woken up. Today we'll go for another drive to Udontani and I'll show you a ring road that they're making around Nong Khai. Okay, let's go. Namkan Habat. Okay, we got some ice to keep the drinks cool. Okay, as soon as we get to Nong Khai, I'll show you the ring road that they're making. I'm here at a temple about 25 k's out of Bung Gan. This is the Mekong River. Take a look at those mountains. They're in Laos. They're huge. Okay, we're about 5 k's out of the city of Nong Khai. This is the sign of the ring road turn off. Go see if we can take a look. Let's go. They're building this ring road in Nong Khai, goes around Nong Khai the city. Now right in the middle is a house. Maybe the people don't want to move out or don't want to sell. Right in the middle of the road. Alright, I've gone around the other side of the house and have a look. So obviously these people don't want to sell their house to the government. I don't know what's going to happen. I'll keep you posted. Anyway, stiff shit, let's go to Udontani. Okay, we're in Udontani now. Let's check out this place. Sisip for okay. Ooh. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one.